And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, dancehall artist Spice has topped the Bilboard Reggae albums chart. The Raunchy DJ's mixtape, Captured, which sold 505 copies in the first week, was released on November 2 via her Spice Official Entertainment label. The mixtape features 19 songs, including the controversial lead single Black Hypocrisy, which tackles the cultural topic of colorism. This achievement marks the third time this year a female artist has reached number one on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. Reggae artist Etana and British singer Holly Cook topped the chart earlier this year. Last week's number one, Defy Gravity by The Elevators, falls to number 4, while Poetry in Motion by Soja rebounds to number 5. Sting and Shaggy's 44876 slips to number 6, the first time it has fallen outside the top 5 since debuting in April. Revolution's Free Reign falls to number 8, while Everyday Life, Everyday People by Slightly Stupid drops from number 5 to number 9. Rounding out the top 10 is Iration's self-titled set, which moves from number 12 to number 10. Saint International Models take A Touch of France 2018 to another level. Organized by the Embassy of France in Jamaica and the Club France Jamaica, this year's staging showcased 27 exhibitors and featured a mix of local and overseas companies. To culminate the 3-day-long festival, A Touch of France 2018 brought the curtains down with La Haute Couture Fashion, an evening of fashion with coordination and models provided by Saint International. Confident and poised, Saint International models sashayed and strutted down the runway, modeling designs from local and French designers. CEO of Saint International Dwight Peters gave an outline of the night's festivities.
So tonight was the grand finale of the Touch of France 2018, La Haute Couture. We had 6 designer presentations, absolutely incredible. The grand finale, Elliot Lesopere from Guadeloupe, absolutely amazing. Of course, the Saint models brought their A-game, but what is of importance too was a special collaboration with the Tourism Enhancement Fund. They were actually looking at the wonderful design talent across, well, not just Jamaica, but the Caribbean. They saw what was on offer from tonight's show, and guess what? You will be seeing pieces from these designers in a particular space in the upcoming tourism capital of Falmouth Trelawney. So it is a wonderful collaboration. It's about creating opportunities while we celebrate French culture. Touch of France 2018.
A Touch of France is a biennial exchange of culture and business event managed and implemented by the French Embassy. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.